All right, today we're taking a look at creating text styles. And so we're going to walk through creating two different text styles for your template. We're going to save those changes to your template so that every time you open a new drawing, these two text styles are there. And so that's going to be SATC Associative and SATC Annotative. So let me go ahead and delete these two, and then we'll take a look at how to go about recreating them. Okay, so where we find our text styles is on the Home tab of the ribbon. If you come over to your Annotation panel and click on that little drop list arrow, here's where all of your styles exist. Your text style, dimension style, multi-leader style, and table style. We'll take a look through each one of these as we work through this unit on creating text and dimensions in AutoCAD. So the very first one is text style. If you just go ahead and click on that icon, it'll open up your text style dialog box. You'll see you've got two styles that are already created for you. I'm just going to go ahead and click on standard, and we're going to create a new style. So go ahead and click on new, and we're going to call it SATC Associative. So go ahead and type in SATC Associative and hit OK. And then we want to go ahead and set our properties for that particular text style. So our font name is going to be Arial. You can open that box. You can see that any Windows system font you're able to use in AutoCAD. Font style, here's where you can select bold, bold italic, italic, and regular. Ours is just going to be regular. Here in the middle, you select whether it's going to be annotative text or associative text. This one's going to be associative. We're going to leave the height to be 0, and by leaving height 0 here, then we'll get a prompt in our command line for the height of text every time we use this style. Also, you've got upside down text, and you can see in this box how upside down text is going to appear. Also backwards text, how it's going to appear. A width factor and oblique angle. There's not a whole lot of options in text style that we really use as drafters. So SATC Associative should be Arial, regular font, height should be 0. Now we can go ahead and create our annotative text style. So go ahead and click on New again. Call this one SATC Annotative. And then it's going to be the same properties as your associative, except we're going to check the box for annotative. So this is what we're going to use anytime we create annotative objects. We're going to use our annotative text. So again, leave paper text height to be 0. And we're going to go ahead and hit apply here and save our changes. Before we do that, we want to go ahead and set one of these to be current. So we want our associative, since we're still working on associative text and associative dimensions, we want it to be current. So go ahead and double click on SATC Associative, then click close. And then we want to save these changes back to our template, so click Save As. Change your files of type to .dwt. Click on AutoCAD, click Save. When it asks you, do you want to replace it? Hit Yes. Click OK in Template Options, and you've just created your first two text styles and saved them to your template.